Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your video quality look better. So copy and paste your video, and on the second one you're going to select adjustments here. Go to the curve section and you're going to drag the left one on top and the right one on the bottom, and you're going to do that for all of the colors here to create like a negative color. Once you are done with that, go to effects and search for blur. Going to add that here. Go back to video, go to basic, go to blend mode and select color burn. You're just going to adjust it though. Go to media, go to library and add in a white stock video on top. And I'm just going to freeze frame it here so that I can extend it to the rest of the video. And I'll add a black stock video on top as well. Freeze framing that as well. Rotate it. Go to mask and you're going to select the horizontal one. Rotate that and you're going to just feather it out by like a lot. You're going to place it down. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select the overlay one and adjust the opacity. Then you are going to select the first video, go to adjustments, go to basic, adjust the saturation, and you're going to go to sharpen and you're going to sharpen it by a lot. You can also add in clarity. I'm going to add in some contrast to it as well. And yeah, that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!